Fever. Fever. She has a high fever. Cold. I caught a cold yesterday. Headache. I have a terrible headache. Toothache. My toothache won't go away. Stomachache. He has a stomachache after eating junk food. Earache. My little brother has an earache. Sore throat. Drinking cold water gave me a sore throat. Allergy. I have an allergy to dust. Burn. He burned his hand while cooking. Sprain. She sprained her ankle while running. Vomiting. He started vomiting after eating stale food. Diarrhea. Spicy food can cause diarrhea. High blood pressure. Stress can cause high blood pressure. Low blood pressure. She feels dizzy due to low blood pressure. Asthma. Asthma patients should avoid pollution. Heart disease. Smoking increased the risk of heart disease. Fatigue. After working all day, I feel extreme fatigue.
Cough.
His cough is getting worse. Back pain. Sitting too long causes back pain. Infection. The doctor said, it's a viral infection. Wound. He got a wound on his hand. Cut. I got a small cut while chopping vegetables. Bruise. She got a bruise on her leg after falling. Fracture. The doctor said my arm has a fracture. Blister. New shoes gave me blisters on my feet. Scratch. The cat scratched my hand. Cramps. She got stomach cramps after eating spicy food. Swelling. There is swelling on my ankle after the injury. Stitches. He got stitches on his forehead after the accident. Rash. The allergic reaction caused a rash on his skin.
Please like, subscribe. Subscribe. Thank you.